In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy or duplicate a list in Clickup. This handy feature can save you a lot of time when you need to recreate similar projects or tasks without starting from scratch. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure everything is clear and straightforward. First, you'll want to locate the list you wish to duplicate within your Clickup sidebar. This is your starting point, so take a moment to navigate through your workspace and pinpoint the list you've decided to copy. Once you have your list in sight, you'll need to access the Options menu. To do this, simply hover your cursor over the list. You'll notice an ellipsis icon, represented by 3 dots appearing right next to the list's name. Go ahead and click on this icon. This action will bring up a menu filled with various options related to your list. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to look for and select the Duplicate option. This is the key step that will initiate the duplication process. Upon choosing Duplicate, a pop-up window will emerge, offering you a range of customization settings for the duplication process. The first thing you'll want to do here is provide a new name for your duplicated list. This helps not only in avoiding any confusion with the original list, but also in clearly identifying the purpose or context of your new list. Next, you'll need to decide on the location for the new list. ClickUp gives you the flexibility to either keep it in the same space and folder as the original, or move it to a different one. This can be particularly useful if you're reorganizing your workflow or working across different teams. Now onto the content options. This step is where you can decide what elements from the original list you'll be copying over. Choose carefully based on your needs. Whether you want to include tasks, subtasks, attachments, comments, custom fields, or perhaps all of the above. If you're looking to replicate everything from the original, you can choose to copy everything. If not, ClickUp allows you to customize your selection to fit your specific requirements. There's also an option to include archived tasks, which can be handy if there's relevant information or tasks that need to be revived in your new list. If you decide to go this route, you'll have the choice to unarchive these tasks in the new setup. With all these decisions made, it's time to finalize the process. You'll do this by clicking the Copy list, or sometimes just Duplicate button located at the bottom of the pop-up window. This confirms your choices and sets the duplication in motion. And there you have it. Your duplicated list will appear in the designated location within your ClickUp workspace, ready to be used as you see fit, with all the selected elements perfectly in place. I hope this walkthrough helps streamline your workflow and makes your project management a bit easier and more efficient. Happy organizing!